Start today's factory inspection task. Go to the trash area and sort all the trash into corresponding trash cans. Then, proceed to the loading and unloading area to transfer the red goods that need to be repelled to the maintenance area. Return the repelled green goods to the loading/unloading area. After completing everything, return to parking number 2 and summarize and send me the inspection results of each area.
Factory inspection task begins. 2 PCS trash have been identified and sorting will begin now. This is a can which belongs to recyclable waste. This is an apple core which belongs to kitchen waste. Found 1 PCS red cargo in need of repair. I will start to transport it now. Now, send the green goods back to the loading and unloading area. Two PCS trash were identified in total. The red goods have been transferred to the maintenance area. Green goods have been returned to the loading and unloading area. The task has been successfully completed.
Go to the emergency exit and check if the passenger is unobstructed. Then, proceed to the fire escape route. View the fire equipment and inspection records, and summarize the information and send it to me.
Okay, I'll take care of this task. A red can on the ground. Do you need me to clean up this clutter?
Yes, it needs to be cleaned.
Summary. Fire extinguishers have completed 6 inspection records, January to June. All checks are in normal condition.
Hi Yahboom.
I hear.
Move forward 1 meter, step back 15 cm, turn left 13 degrees, turn right 75 degrees. Record your current location as your starting position. Then, navigate to area A. Follow the red line in front of you. If you encounter an obstacle, move it out of the way. After completing the line inspection, navigate to the hardware store. Bring the screwdriver back to the starting position. Then apply.
Okay, first I'll move forward 1 meter, then move backward 50 centimeters, and then turn left by 30 degrees and turn right by 75 degrees. I've completed the dance. Now I'll record my current position as the initial position. The initial position has been recorded. Now next, I will navigate to area A. Are you ready? Let's set off. I have arrived at area A. Now I will walk along the red line in front of me and remove all obstacles on the way. Next, I will navigate to the hardware store to look for the screwdriver. I have arrived at the hardware store. Let me check where the screwdriver is. I have seen where the screwdriver is, and now I will use my robotic arm to grip it. The screwdriver is firmly gripped by my robotic arm. Now I will navigate back to the initial position to place the screwdriver there. Let's set off. I have returned to the initial position, and now I will place the screwdriver in front of me. The screwdriver has been placed properly. To celebrate the completion of the task, I will clap for you. Applaud is completed.
Hi Yahboom.
I hear.
There are several colored blocks on the table. Sort the blue and yellow blocks into their corresponding areas. Leave the other colored blocks alone.
Okay, first I'll check what colors of wooden blocks are on the desktop. Please wait a moment. There are red, green, yellow, blue, and purple blocks on the table. Now I'm going to sort the blue blocks into their corresponding areas. The blue wooden blocks have been sorted. I will sort the yellow wooden blocks into the corresponding area as well. The The yellow wooden blocks have also been sorted. Now, both the blue and yellow wooden blocks have been correctly placed in their corresponding areas, and the wooden blocks of other colors remain unchanged. The task if completed,